Wealth Advisory at STRAT, it's all about empowering individuals and families to live the life of their dreams and to achieve peace of mind. We believe there's a big difference between managing your assets and managing your financial life.
We're not affiliated with any bank, brokerage firm, or any other financial institution. And the only way that we're compensated is directly by our clients. That's important because that means we're sitting on the same side of the table as you.
It starts with what matters to you and who matters to you and what is it that you want your life to be about.
We are looking to work with clients who want to be engaged but not experts.
People that value trust and transparency.
Clients who want to learn and collaborate on decisions versus just being told what to do.
It's more than the numbers. It's about the relationship. We're going to discover other opportunities of improvement or just validation. We also bring in other resources that will help fulfill any gaps in your financial plan. STRAT Wealth is about knowing you have a team behind you that has an intimate understanding of all of your financial assets.